Hello champs, how are you all? I'm sure you're doing really great. In today's session, we are going to talk about long vowel sound A. Okay, so you know that we have 5 vowels in our alphabet series. The first one is A. So we are going to talk about the sound of A today. Long vowel sound of A. Okay, so long A as in cake. Repeat after me. Long A as in cake. Now we'll hear some other words which include long vowel sound A. For example, rain. Rain. Okay. Next we have is lake. Lake. Next we have is bake. Bake. Your mother bakes cake for you, right? So, bake. Next we have is face. Face. The next, wake. You wake up in the morning, right? Wake. And the next we have is date. It's really healthy. Do you like it? Great. Date. Perfect. So now we are able to do the words with long vowel sound A. Let's move forward towards the phonic drill. For the phonic drill, first we are having the group of words which are having the long vowel sound A with the ending of KE. Okay? So now let's look towards those words. Make. M-A-K-E. Make. Likewise, fake. F-A-K-E. Fake. The others are take. You take something from others, right? Take. T-A-K-E. Right. Next is rake. R-A-K-E. Rake. And the last for this group is sake. S-A-K-E. Sake. Great. So, are you guys writing these words for practicing them later? Yes, you should. So, now let's move towards the second group of words which are having L-E at the end with the long vowel sound A before them. Okay? So, now let's begin. The first word we are having is tail. T-A-L-E. Tail. The next word is male. M-A-L-E. Male. Next word is sail. S-A-L-E. Sail. Great. Likewise, the other words are tail. T-A-L-E. And the last is whale. W-A-L-E. Great. So this was the second group. Now we'll move forward towards the third group which are having a mix of various endings. Okay. With the long vowel sound A. So the words are vase or vase. Whatever you can pronounce it. Vase or vase. Vase. V-A-S-E. V-A-S-E. Next is case. C-A-S-E. C-A-S-E. Case. Next is face. Face. F-A-C-E. The next is pace. P-A-C-E. Pace. And the last is maze. M-A-Z-E. M-A-Z-E. Maze. Okay? So this was all for phonic drill. Now, let's move forward towards the reading part because reading is learning. Faye and Jane like to play at the lake. Okay, so make sure you are reading it with me. Okay, now the next sentence. One day They made a maze in the hay. On the same day, they had rain and hail. Yes. Now the next sentence. So, Faye and Jane ran back to play games. Great. Clap for yourself. You were absolutely fantastic with this concept. So now make sure you give it a read once again so the concept is very much clear in your minds. Okay? So now we'll meet in our next session. Till then, bye-bye.